Welcome back to Byte, Business Intelligence for Trade Enforcement. In this video, we will explore the screening module in the Byte app. We will be focusing on functions within this module as well as the different screening options that are available, such as people and companies, products, cyber, and bulk. Screening is a powerful tool for identifying high-risk entities and products associated with trade. This module allows users to crawl across the datasets within the app, allowing for quick searches against thousands of entities across hundreds of multinational watch lists, as well as second and third tier entities and transshipment entities. This section also allows for product screening across many different countries, agencies, and commodity control lists. This tool is helpful for anyone working in trade compliance, importers and exporters, or trade financing. We will now jump into who is on it and who develops it, and why it will make your job easier. The top tab of the screening section is shown as People and Companies. Once in this tab, you can see specific filters that are used to help whatever needs to be screened against. All of the filter options, aside from date, are consolidated within the lens filter. These are lenses, country, agency, and list. If you have the name of the entity that you are planning to screen against, you can enter the name of that entity in the search bar at the top of the module. The results will be returned below, along with the total count of the results. The initial view of the results will show the name of the entity country, and the list name associated with that entity. You can also select the arrow beside filters to expand this section and reveal more fields. When you click on a result, you can view all of the fields and information related to this result within the app. The lens filter helps you narrow down your results. For example, you can select forced labor entities, which, after applying the filter, will yield any person or company in our data that is listed as being associated with forced labor. This lens will automatically filter through the countries, agencies, and lists, showing you these options and results in real time. You can continue to add additional filters on the left or add entities through an initial search bar and or the add entry search bar if additional entities are desired. Once this is complete, you can save your filter where it will become accessible at all times in the Saved Filter tab. The products section of the screening module works very similarly to the people and companies section. In the search bar, you can search product names, HS codes, CAS numbers, etc. All filter and search options are the same except for the addition of the HS code filter. This will allow you to filter for specific sections, chapters, and HS codes that are associated with a product search. The cyber section of the screening module also allows for quick and easy searching of common vulnerability and exposures and notorious markets. Once you have found what you need, you can click the download button to export your results. And there you have it, a guide to the Byte screening module. Now that you have a better understanding of what the screening module is and how you can better take advantage of the screening and searching capabilities, if you run into any issues or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@bytedata.io.